Namaste. Myself Bhagwan Reddy. I am the founder for Chayuta Foundation for Organ Transplant and one of the director for Kidney Warriors Foundation. Our foundation was started in 2015 with 4 members. Now approximately we have reached 900 kidney transplant recipient. We are working with Kidney Warriors Foundation to help kidney patients across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. Currently, we are doing different programs. Like we have distributed 200 plus dialysis beds to different dialysis patients, and also we have distributed erythropoietin injections to the needy. Conducted several meetings with different places to know more about kidney disease, and also conducted uh, education sessions on organ donation, and also we have conducted kidney screening camps and organ donation awareness sessions, so with colleges and schools. And we have given transplant and we have translated nutrition secret book into Telugu language, and we have given to dialysis and kidney transplant recipients across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states, and helping transplant recipients with insurance scheme is a Apad Bandhu Chayuta Apad Bandhu scheme, and arranged some jobs to kidney patients. Few people benefited with lower cost surgeries in kidney transplantation, and solved patient problems by arranging online consultation at COVID time majorly. Communicated with government officials to provide pension to kidney patients, dialysis patients, and post kidney transplant recipients. And Telangana government is providing medicine to transplant recipient and conducting free dialysis sessions to the poor patients. And in Andhra Pradesh state government is providing 10,000 rupees pension and 5,000 rupees pension to kidney transplant recipients. So after our fighting, after our giving letters to the government officials, they have given these pensions, and many more programs we have done in last 4 5 years. And currently we have received ATG certificate also. With collaboration of Kidney Warriors Foundation, we are giving 1,000 pension to 24 patients every month. So this is a huge benefit to the patients across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. And Kidney Warriors Foundation, so across India we are doing around 60 plus patients pension every month. So this is a wonderful.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम करमजीत कौर, मैं पंजाब स्टेट कोऑर्डिनेटर। मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि किडनी पेशेंट जिनका ट्रांसप्लांट हो चुका है या जो डायलिसिस में हैं, जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं पंजाब, हिमाचल, हरियाणा से या कुछ क्षेत्र यूपी से भी हैं, जिनको अपनी आर्थिक स्थिति के चलते हुए मेडिसिन खरीदने में दिक्कत आती है, हम ऐसे पेशेंट को 20 से 40% मेडिसिन खरीदने में डिस्काउंट दिलवाते हैं। यदि किसी माँ उन्हें मेडिसिन खरीदने में दिक्कत आए तो हम ऐसे पेशेंट को फ्री मेडिसिन भी देते हैं। और महिलाएं जिनका ट्रांसप्लांट हुआ है, जो आत्मनिर्भर नहीं है, अपने परिवार पर डिपेंडेंट करती है और आर्थिक स्थिति भी अच्छी नहीं है, हम ऐसी महिलाओं की आर्थिक मदद भी करते हैं ताकि उन्हें कोई हेल्थ इशू ना आए। और नेक्स्ट ईयर में हम एक मेडिसिन पे एक नया प्लान लेकर आ रहे हैं ताकि हम ज़्यादा पेशेंट्स की हेल्प कर सकें और उनको ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट दिलवा सकें। मेडिसिन के इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जो हमारा मेन प्लान रहेगा, उसके साथ हमारा एक इंश्योरेंस प्लान भी है। नेक्स्ट ईयर हम एक इंश्योरेंस प्लान भी लेके आ रहे हैं। जिन पेशेंट्स के पास कोई इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी नहीं है, अगर उन्हें कभी हॉस्पिटलाइज होना पड़े या उनको कोई हेल्थ इशू आए, तो उन्हें इसकी बात की चिंता नहीं होनी चाहिए कि वो कैसे हॉस्पिटल का खर्चा उठाएंगे। इसके लिए हमारा एक इंश्योरेंस प्लान भी होगा। धन्यवाद।
Hi everyone, this is Brijesh Gadia and I manage finance at KWF. Last year we did a good job to manage finance at KWF and helped a lot of people in spite of difficult situation. And even managed to introduce 3 new projects, namely the PPP, the protein supplement and the AKI for kids. I would like to give you a brief on all the 3. The PPP, with the help of Sejan Joban Putra and the state coordinators, we managed to identify 150 odd patients, needy patients, and give them 1,000 per month for 6 months. Similarly, the protein supplement, we gave about 100 boxes all over. In AKI for Kids, we identified kids with acute or serious kidney issues and helped them with a one-time payment of 50,000, and even helped them raise funds through other sources. Going forward in the year 2022, we aim to extend all the 3 projects and even introduce a few more so as to provide maximum benefits to the patient through KWF. In the end, I would request the members, patients and donors to provide that unflinching love, care and support to KWF. That's what keeps us going. That's what keeps us strong. Thank you.